Hey guys, what's going on? It's Christina Prodick. Welcome back to another amazing video. Guys, today I am super excited. I'm going to be making pink slime. So I got these at Target. They're Nickelodeon slime, washable poppin' pink glue. To make the slime, I'm going to be mixing the pink glue with laundry detergent and water in this big bin. By the way, if you try this at home, don't try it in your car like me. Okay, here's the glue. Ah! It's really heavy. Go, glue, go. It's really thick, guys. Trying to get this done fast because I have to be at work later. Okay, I'm not sure if it's better to put water first or laundry detergent, but it's gonna mix all together with this spoon, so I'm not an expert at making slime yet, but I'm in a hurry, so I'm just gonna like mix it. Okay. I might do the water first. Okay. The sunny. Ooh, I want to show you guys. Look at all that glue. Okay. So here goes the water. Ooh, that looks so cool. I think maybe I'll put 2 bottles of water to kind of even it out. Or should I just stir this first? Maybe I'll stir this first. Oh, wow. Guys, look at that. Wow, this is definitely interesting. Okay, making slime is cool. Ah, okay. Woo, be careful not to get it on my camera. Okay. Okay, so here's the laundry detergent. We'll see what that does. Ooh, that looks so cool. I think I need to stir it more. It's getting a lot of bubbles, but it looks so cool, doesn't it? It looks really pretty. This is making me so happy. Okay, I'm stirring it with the water and the laundry detergent. Ooh, it looks so cool and slimy, guys. Ooh. Whoa. Whoa. Dude. Whoa, it's actually really cool. The laundry detergent really made it like, ooh, super slimy. Oh, this is so cool. Okay guys, this slime looks super cool. So I'm about to dump it all over my car. And then thankfully there's a car wash like really close to here. So I can just drive over right after and get it washed. But this should be really super crazy and really fun. Wow, slime! Oh man, guys, this is super, super, super crazy. This is one of the craziest things I've ever done. Okay, hold on, check out Fish there. Oh my goodness, she slimed. Oh guys, look at this slime. Look at this. Whoa, guys, I don't know if slime is meant to go on cars, but literally it's so crazy. Look at this. It's so pink. Oh my goodness, look at this. Oh, it's so super crazy. Look at the slime, guys. Oh, wow. Oh, this is so crazy. Guys, drop a like on this video for me sliming my car. Oh, it's so big. Whoa. All right, let's go to the car wash because I'm not about to drive all the way back to Tyson's like this. Look at this, guys! Look at the sunroof! If I opened it, I would be slimed. Ah! It's so pink! Tigers, what do you think? What do you think of the slime? I wonder if I should try the wipers. I think probably it would smear it, so I'm just gonna try to drive like this. Ah! I'm so happy I'm at the car wash. I made it to the car wash. Eee! Okay. Ah! Ultimate $14. I think that's probably the one we want to go for at this point. E. About to get the ultimate car wash, guys. Woohoo! Okay. Oh, okay. Guys. Have you ever seen anything? Oh, have you ever seen anything? Okay. Yeah, I'm hoping. Oh, this is so crazy. Oh. Okay.
Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash. Wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
Okay. Windows are up. Driving slowly. Eee. Oh, this is so crazy. The things I do for YouTube! I hope it gets the slime off. I hope the slime comes off. Oh, this is gonna be interesting. This is kind of like an experiment video. Can the ultimate car wash remove slime? Hope so. Guys, so far there's still slime. There's still slime. Oh. Okay, alright, this should do it. This should do it, right? Ew! Okay. There's hope. Hope. I think. Dear Lord, please let it remove the slime. I have to drive back to Tyson's. Oh, relax, Christina. Okay, I'm gonna turn the camera off. I'll show you guys after it's done. Guys, this is not good. The car wash is done. Oh, okay, alright. Guys, I'm gonna, like, literally there's still a ton of, even after the ultimate car wash. Okay, okay. I'm gonna try to clean it with paper towels outside, and I might need to come back for the car wash. Guys, this is actually a huge mess, and I've been scrubbing and scrubbing with paper towels to get it off. It's so gluey and so sticky, but I'm so thankful. Like, okay, when I spray Windex, it's actually like peelable, so I can actually like start to get it off. But I'm thinking if I should go in the car wash again, or what should I do, because I have to drive all the way back to Tyson's. Alright guys, I've been scrubbing and scrubbing. There's still slime, and this guy drove by and he was like, was that on purpose? And I was like, I'm a YouTuber. Okay, so I'm about to go in the car wash again, and she was nice. She said she wasn't gonna charge me, so we're gonna try round 2, and then I gotta start heading back to Tyson's because I gotta be at work. But I figure it does come off with Windex, so I might just buy a ton of Windex if it doesn't get it this time, but hopefully it's gonna be better this time. Okay, round 2. What have I done? It does come off with Windex and a lot of scrubbing. A lot of scrubbing. Alright guys, well it's a lot better after the second ultimate car wash, but there's still some slime. Okay, let's check the outside. Okay, it's a lot better. There is hope. There is hope. So, okay, yeah, probably just like some Windex and maybe a few more car washes, and that'll get like the rest, hopefully. But it'll come off eventually, but it's a lot better. At least I can see to drive and stuff. Okay guys, well I'm gonna close out the video here. If you did enjoy it, please be sure and drop a like. And if you're new to my YouTube channel, welcome. I am so happy and I am so thrilled that you are here. Please hit that subscribe button. And always, stay motivated, stay extraordinary, and stay blessed.